My name is Adeeb Hadi. I'm from Iraq. I'm 27 years old, and I study humanities, art, social thought, concentrating on art and aesthetic at Bard College Berlin. We are having a filmmaking workshop, and Bard hosting the workshop in the administration building. We are having beginners filmmaking workshop, so we teach the students how to use the camera, lights, any sound equipment, and how they make an interview, how they make documentaries maybe. So we give them all the tools to make films, and then they have the choice what they want to make. I started working in film and editing, video editing in 2011 in Syria, and then I moved to Iraq, and I moved to Jordan too, and I worked with many companies as a video editor. And then I worked with the Jordan Olympic Committee for 2 years as a filmmaker. I was covering everything for their events, and the champions, I was just taking videos of them and publishing that on their website. And also then I liked the idea of human rights film festivals and human rights films, and started working with Karama Human Rights Film Festival and Anhar, the Arabic network for human rights film festivals in the Middle East. And from that point I kept working in films, sometimes as a coordinator and sometimes as assistant and sometimes as a filmmaker. I was excited to give this course at BCB and have some of BCB students to have this course with me and to see how they react with us, and most of them they are happy, and we are working on that together. So this project supported by Rathaus Pankow, and the project called Pankow ist schön, so Pankow is beautiful, and they want us to make videos about Pankow and how is life in Pankow, what are we doing in Pankow, what's unique about Pankow. So the students will have an idea, and we're gonna develop this idea together, and we're gonna have in the end of the course an exhibition and screening for the whole movies.